So about a month ago, I posted this Marvel Rivals victory screen for edits. You can have like the blue screen, green screen, and also a transparent file. But recently, Nerd.eye came out with like an actual alert that you can get. It's completely free. It's like pay what you want. So if you want a tip basically here, you can go on the website. I will put the link in the description, of course. But the difference here is that it's not just a green screen video. This is a proper alert, so the name will actually appear. And this is what it will look like. Pretty cool, right? There's also different colors, as you can see. You even get 10 different color presets. And the whole thing is completely customizable. Like you can customize all of that. So let's go ahead and actually download it. Again, here you can type 0 if you want to get it for absolutely free. You can click add to cart, but you can also put a price if you're feeling generous. Once you click add to cart, this is gonna appear. You can click checkout. Then you're gonna get here. You'll also receive an email. So you don't actually have to create an account. You can just get them from your email. I'm just gonna click download. You'll get a zip file. You'll need to extract that right there. So I'm gonna right click and then extract to Shockwave. Yours might say just extract here. All right. And you'll see how intuitive this is. Here's a big folder that says start here. So we're gonna double click on that and it's going to open a URL. Oh, would you look at that? There's a whole guide. So there's a whole video for people who use Streamlabs and people who use StreamElements. We're gonna use StreamElements. So I'm gonna head to my StreamElements account, make sure I'm logged in. Back to my folders, I'm gonna click on StreamElements, alert install. Here we have Twitch alerts install. Click open. And guess what? I think it's done. I think it's done. It's that simple. Just double click on something. So I'm gonna click on it to edit and we'll be able to test it out. We can see that we have an alert box. Let me go ahead and click emulate and let's emulate a follow event. There it is. I'm gonna turn on desktop audio so you can hear because it actually comes with a sound effect. In the options, let's see what we have. If I click on alert box and go to settings, so I have all of the different alerts. So follow alert here, I'm gonna have that. But then let me move my camera. You can see all of the options that you actually got. So if I go to theme option, you can pick specific characters like Hulk, okay? And this is for follow only, so we're gonna test that. Nice. Okay, and under alert option, there's the time that you want it to be displayed. You can change the font, you can change the text color, the accent colors, the text shadow color, the effects colors. You get the point. And of course, you can do that for each and every type of alert. For example, subscriber alert here. You're gonna have your normal subscriber event, but also if you go to variations, you will also be able to customize those specific variations like resub, gifted sub, mass gifted subs. Let's see, gifted sub. And you can go in the options for those specific variations and still have like the theme options and everything else that you saw. Spider-Man, save, mass gift. Nice. And once you're done customizing it, you can just click save and then copy the link up here. Then in your broadcasting software, like OBS Studio, for example, you can just add a browser source and name it. It's a full screen alert. So we're going to go 1080p for the resolution. And we're just going to paste that link that we just copied from StreamElements. And we're going to click OK. Now, if I want to test it, I can just go back to StreamElements and we can test it. You're probably going to hear the sound twice. So if you want to see what it would look like with some gameplay while you're live streaming, it would look like that. Not bad. I made sure to keep the camera on top of it. All right, so if you stream Marvel Rivals or if you just want to have some cool alerts, make sure to check out Shockwave Widget by Nerd.eye. There will be a link in the description or you can just go to nerd.eye.com. The product is free. You can type 0 in the price box, but I encourage you to put a little tip in there. Thanks for watching.